What's up? Andy Fo from Skin Design Tattoos, and today we have the Bishop Rotary and CRYPTIK collaboration Fantom tattoo machine. This is limited out of 150. Just received this today, and I'm more than excited to have this unboxed, kind of go through all the contents of it, and just kind of see how it stands alongside the other Bishop tattoo machine family members. So let's get right to it. This one was 109 out of 150. These go for $649. These are limited, so once they make these and they sell out, there won't be any more. Here is the RCA 7-foot cable that comes with it. We've also got the sleeve, the box, the machine. These were all designed by CRYPTIK himself, collaborated with Bishop Rotary. And the nice thing about this one, it comes with the new ARMA adjustable tattoo grip. I chose the 1 1/4 inch. Lovely box here, all black and gold. And alongside with their Bishop case. Bam! Yeah, once I saw this, I absolutely love this aesthetic. It's got the gold coin on there, little mini medallion in the front. And what I was most excited about also was this adjustable grip, the new ARMA system. So let's get this put up together. Let's compare it with the other ones. We've got the aircraft aluminum Fantom here. Love the matte black aesthetic. Gold coins on both sides. Same size, same function, RCA with the classic Fantom with Bishop's reputation. I'm sure this runs just as well as my daily driver. All the parts that come inside, you've got the various plunger sizes, whether you want to use aluminum or plastic tip. You've got the 4.2 cam. It comes already pre-installed with the 3.5, as well as 2 different hex keys, spare screw. Got these nice little stickers that come with it. So we're gonna go ahead and take this off. Get the plunger bar all set up. And we're gonna use a longer one. This works very well with the click grip. Let's get that tightened up. That's the great thing about this. You get a little bit of customization options, but it runs as it should out of the box all the time. If you do have any issues, which I hardly have with these machines, send them in. Bishop's got great customer service. They'll always take care of you. Once you got that in, we'll put their ARMA click grip in place. That's that. It's a solid feel. Nice stop so the clicks. I mean, this weighs just about the same as their standard grip, which is not adjustable. So you got that nice feature on there. There's nothing more I can say about this. I'm looking forward to trying this out this week. Got some really cool tattoos lined up. And again, with this matte black aesthetic, it goes perfectly with the rest of the collection. I love the wand. I just really prefer the removable clip so you can autoclave it. The form factor in this one's great. It's pretty much 50-50 weight balance. Looking for a size comparison for the other machines. V6, Magi, wand. So along with the machine, you get this really nice printed black and gold bandana here. Really love the style and aesthetics of these. Man. So that's about it for the Bishop Rotary and CRYPTIK Fantom tattoo machine. These are limited out of 150. If you still see them on the website, make sure to pick them up. can't get a machine more beautiful than this. Matte black and gold, comes with the adjustable grip. The true test comes from really trying this out over the next couple weeks, running this as my daily driver. So if you guys have any questions, make sure to send them down below, subscribe, share the video, and we'll do some regular updates on this. We'll show some videos of me tattooing this, or tattooing with this, and yeah, we'll kind of share some more as we go along. So, get to tattooing.